Amid speculation about a possible change in the state leadership, Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has now cleared the air. He's dropping hints that he's on his way out. Yediyurappa has also added that Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Party President J.P. Nadda have great respect and love toward him. He's further added that after any leader usually crosses the age of 75, there is no position for them in the party. However, in his case, BJP top brass has appreciated his political acumen, according to Yediyurappa, and allowed him to work till he crosses even 78 years of age. Yediyurappa is asserting that a decision will be taken on this issue post 26 July because that is when the BJP government completes 2 years in Karnataka. Yediyurappa recently also received support from influential members of the Lingayat community, and that also included the Congress MLAs and religious seers heading the powerful Lingayat mutts in the state. Congress, however, has slammed the BJP over the Lingayat seers supporting the Yediyurappa government. Congress Neta B.K. Hari Prasad has said it is unfortunate that religious seers are rallying behind one individual Neta rather than working for people in the state.
It's very unfortunate for the most progressive state like Karnataka. Never in the history such a huge Swamiji had gathered to save the Chief Minister. They should gather to save the state of Karnataka, and they are losing the tradition of Karnataka after BJP took over. And Swamiji should have been cautious while supporting the PSP.
What they are rallying behind, it is left to them. But the thing is, in this juncture, their own party MLAs, the former union ministers, want that Yediyurappa should go. That is the internal matter of the BJP. But I say, at this juncture, when the doctors have been telling that Corona third wave is there, this is making a circus of the democracy in Karnataka. Whether he's going to stay back, he is going to go, somebody is going to come. And this is adventure what they're doing. They're playing with the lives of the people of Karnataka.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಜಗನ್ಮೋಹನ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರ ತಂದೆಯವರನ್ನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆದಾಗ ಆಂಧ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಅದೇ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗಿ ನಾನು ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಪಕ್ಷದವರಿಗೆ. ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರನ್ನೇ ಮುಂದಿನ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
Nagarjun Dwarkanath is reporting from Bengaluru on the latest now. Nagarjun, because Congress MLAs themselves on one hand are supporting what Yediyurappa has as an individual clout, but they're also saying that religious seers are supporting him. And why? Why do you think this basic development has come, that there is support but there's also sort of opposition to it?
Well, it's only few leaders who are speaking from the Congress as well. They are the Lingayat leaders who belong to the same community as the Chief Minister. But overall, Congress saying that why are the political heads meeting the religious heads and religious heads rallying behind the Chief Minister? This is not the time to rally behind someone who's corrupt, who has failed as the Chief Minister, is what the Congress as an overall party is saying. When we question the Congress as to why their local leaders or Lingayat leaders are specifically supporting the Chief Minister, they said it's politics and they're doing their bit and we are doing our bit. It has nothing to do with the party's opinion. But what development is that the Chief Minister, for the first time on record, has opened up that he's expecting some decision on his future on July 26th when he finishes 2 years his tenure, and he has a big event, and post that he says whatever the national president decides, and he will carry further his race here. And then also he said, urged with the people of BJP that no one should protest, and all the seers also should not give out statements, is what the Chief Minister said. So in the next 1 week, there might be some political development because the Chief Minister himself has admitted he's awaiting the decision from the High Command.
Nagarjun Dwarkanath with all the latest that's been happening in Bengaluru. Nagarjun, thank you very much for now.